Most offshore assets don't fail because of a single mechanical break. They fail because of system-wide decay that goes unmonitored. Extending a rig's life by 15 years isn't about a rebuild, it's about engineering intelligence into the iron. Here's the 10-step strategy that actually works. First, stabilize the power. If your generators are hunting or load sharing is uneven, your electronics are dying. You must retune governors, audit synchronization, and install harmonic filters for your VFD loads. Remember, most aging rigs fail electrically before they fail mechanically. Second, upgrade the brain. You don't need a total shutdown to migrate obsolete PLCs. Clean up the patchwork logic that's accumulated over decades. Eliminate the gaps between PLC, SCADA, and ESD systems to remove single-point failures. 70% of offshore electrical issues start inside the panel. Replace the corroded terminals and old protection relays. Their delayed response time is a liability. Improve sealing against salt ingress and use thermography to kill hotspots before they start fires. If you're still waiting for a scheduled inspection, you're already behind. Install vibration and acoustic sensors on critical rotating equipment and structures. Move from periodic checks to continuous, real-time analytics. Rigs don't fail by component, they fail by system. You must align your PMS, ESD, and fire and gas logic into a unified response. If your subsystems don't communicate, your shutdown logic is outdated and dangerous. Safety systems fail long before you need them. You have to test BOP control response under real conditions and validate emergency shutdown timing, not just function. Redundancy is only useful if it's actually operational. Corrosion is a silent killer, but it's a predictable one. Optimize your cathodic protection dynamically based on real-time metal loss trends. Stop treating corrosion as a task and start managing it as a system. Most aging rigs are running on workarounds. Identify every bypass system and undocumented wiring change accumulated over the years. Restore the rig to its engineered logic, not just operator adjustments. This is the game changer. Process your data locally to detect micro-anomalies before alarms ever trigger. By correlating electrical, mechanical, and structural data at the edge, your legacy iron becomes an intelligent asset. Life extension is a strategy, not a maintenance schedule. Plan your shutdowns based on actual system health. Optimize your spares based on failure patterns. Focus on prevention, so you never have to focus on repair. Legacy assets don't need to be replaced, they need to be mastered. At SMEC, we don't just retrofit, we redefine reliability, engineering the future of offshore integrity.